Hello, my name is Shrey, and I am a 7th grader at Venado Middle School. And my project is basically when you wave your hand in front of this gate, it'll open, and then the LCD will display that it's open. I use many things in the project, like an ultrasonic sensor, an LCD display, a servo motor, and to describe what the ultrasonic sensor is, what it does, it sends out a sound signal, and then when it comes bouncing back, it records the time, and then when in my program, when it says close duration equals close end minus close start, that's basically, and also distance equals close duration times 17150. That's the algorithm I use to convert the time into centimeters. And that way, within 50 centimeters, if I wave my hand, it'll open. And then the LED display is basically 16 by 2, and when I programmed it to say wave open garage, and when you wave it, it'll do opening garage, and then when it's closed, it'll have closed garage. And then I use a servo motor also to open the gate. So when the motor, it goes 90 degrees. When it goes 90 degrees, like anything can pass into it, like a car or like anything. And then my program or my code, I use many things in it. Like I imported the modules like rpi.gpio as GPIO, which basically means that the pins on the Raspberry Pi can identify that it's being used, and I also use import.time for my ultrasonic sensor so it can identify the time. I can't go through all of my code right now because it's a lot. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's a little bit complicated. And GPIO.setup basically means that we're using the pins on the breadboard, and let's try it. So then right now it's displaying in centimeters what it sees. So probably see something in the back of the room, like, or it sees something that's about 2,500 centimeters away. So then when I put my hand in front of it, the gate opened, and then it's 12 centimeters away, my hand, and then I remove my hand, and it's also again 2,500. And then the LCD, it says garage close, and then opening garage, and then garage close again. The project would make doing all the circuitry, because it was really hard because I'm using like almost 50 wires here, and it's really hard to identify which wires are being used for which thing. You just have to trace it. And then last minute today, all of them suddenly weren't working, so I had to redo all of them. So now, thankfully, it's fixed. Any questions?
What was the hardest part?
Oh, the hardest part, as I mentioned in my speech, it would be the circuitry, because it's really hard to trace it down.
Which part did you have the most fun in?
I liked wiring up the LCD, because it's pretty cool that whenever I type something, it comes up that. And yes. Thank you.
Is your project working because you had good luck, or you were able to write the code?
Oh, I think it would be both. Yeah, I wrote the code, and I use a lot of modules from different, like I use Adafruit and then LCD. So that was from a website. And then all of these numbers here below are the pin numbers I used. So this is the if, like I'll also use if statements, like if the distance is 50, which is 50 centimeters, as I explained before in my speech, it'll clear everything that's on the LCD and it'll display opening flash. Thank you.
Thank you.